How to email audio files. This tutorial shows you how to attach and send audio files through email on your Android device. First, open the Gmail application on your Android device. The app will load to your inbox. Next, tap on the Compose button at the bottom right corner. A new email draft will open. Now, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject line if needed. Moving forward, tap on the attachment icon that looks like a paperclip. The attachment menu will appear. Afterwards, tap on Attach File or Files. Your file browser will open. Look for the audio folder or navigate to where your audio file is saved. Tap on Downloads, Music, or Recordings depending on where your audio is stored. Locate the audio file you want to send. Tap on it to select and attach it. The audio file will be attached to your email. You'll see the file name and size below the subject line. You can add multiple audio files by repeating the process. Type your message in the body if you want to add text. Once everything looks good, tap Send at the top right corner. Wait for the email to send successfully. The recipient will receive your email with the audio file attached. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you email audio files, give it a like, subscribe for more email tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.